Alright guys, here's another video on the pickup. I am replacing these old parking brake cables. They're not doing so hot. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna obviously remove your hub. Or the drum. I've already done that, as you can see, but if you can see that here, yeah, see that clip down in there? This one right here, that clips into here on this, in between that washer, that little washer there, and that barb, and it runs through that hole down there behind that spring, and then it just runs up over here to this bolt up here. You're gonna take that loose with a 13mm wrench, and then there's another one up here you're gonna get with a 10mm wrench. Now, I was told on Volkswagen Vortex to grab this end right there, this part right here, with a pair of vice grips and like twist it, I guess, and see if it comes off. So I'll do that and then show you the aftermath. That baby worked like a charm. You just work it back and forth and back and forth, and it'll come out, and pull on it and it'll come out. And then when you get in here, kind of hard for you to see that. You see that little tab back here, right here? It's gonna want to catch on that, the little hex part, and you're just gonna have to push it down and back, and then you'll just pull on it down at the cable and it'll come right out. But I thought it was a crossover, but it's not. So it's left side goes to the left side brake, and right side goes to the right side brake. Just so y'all know.